Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Google account and network. This matters because the Play Store syncs app ownership and settings. Once signed in, make sure you have at least 50% battery or a charger connected. Then open Settings and navigate to Apps, locating Google Play Store. You do this now so you can clear caches and data without interruptions. These first actions remove corrupted temporary files and reinitialize the app. Make sure to keep your screen unlocked while you proceed. You should force stop the Play Store, then clear cache and storage to reset its local state. This removes broken download records and settings that block restoration. Once done, reopen the Play Store and respond to any sign and prompt so syncing resumes. This step reestablishes your library and purchase records. Next, check Google Play Services and Play Store for updates in the app list. Updated services are required for install and restore operations. If updates appear, install. You now open Play Store, go to Library or My Apps and select the apps to reinstall. Tapping Install pulls apps back from your account, and granting permissions lets them run properly. Once install's complete, open each app to confirm data restored. Some apps sync cloud data automatically while others require in-app restore. If an install fails, reboot the device, confirm you have enough storage, and if needed, remove and re-add your Google account to force a fresh sync. This often fixes persistent restore errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.